Hello there, beautiful people, beautiful subscribers. Thank you for keeping the date with this channel. Yes, you are doing a great job by subscribing to this channel. Yes, and if you're still thinking about subscribing, you just go ahead and click that button. I sure know you won't regret it. Yes, so right now you're watching beautiful and in-season girls hairstyles trending. Yes, beautiful and very in-season girls hairstyle trending. I believe this particular hairstyles won't face off anytime soon. Yes, and you also have very nice toddler hairstyle ideas this 2020. Yes, lovely styles for our girls. It's all about our little girls. Yes, we can't stop looking at them, especially the outcome when they are done with their hairstyles. Yes, it always makes them come out looking cute, pretty, lovely. I can't even use a very reliable adjective right now, but I believe this will do. Yes, so our girls are very important to us, just like our boys. Let's not forget. Yes, it's just that we focus on this channel on the little girls. Yes, so these are very lovely hairstyles for them, something that you could make them, at the end of the day they could be happy to show off. Yeah, it's all about show off for ladies. They grow from here. Yes, and make sure you keep it date with us if you're a new person or a new visitor to this channel. Keep it date by subscribing, and yes, I will love, not just me, we will love to get to know what you think by your comments, through your comments. Yes, and share this video. Definitely go ahead and share this video. You won't regret doing just that. So keep it date with us by clicking that button. It helps support the channel to grow, and of course it helps us be motivated to continue posting this very trendy and beautiful videos for you, just for your satisfaction. So till next time, keep it date with us. Thank you for watching. Bye.